Oh, thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing of this lather catcher I picked up. I'm going to be cutting the package. Don't want to flip it over because, yeah, here's the, I won't tell you what it is. You'll see here in a minute. Let me cut this, this wrapping. Well, I'll tell you one thing. The seller packaged it good. Tell you that much. Alright. Wow. Little, too well packaged. But, hey, didn't get damaged, so. Alright. Here it is. A Gem Junior lather catcher. Paid 20 bucks for it. It's in decent shape. Bar works. Oh, come on, focus. Bar works. That works. It's missing the part at the bottom for the stropping, but hey, I'm not complaining for 20 bucks. All right, next shave will be up here at the end of the week, and I'll have a head shave up. I might shave with this next or the Gem. So, I'll catch you guys later, and happy shaves.